Welcome. In this video I will show you how to take wide angle selfies on iPhone. First, let's open the camera application. Then rotate the camera by tapping right here to open the frontal one, and then you can either pinch your device's screen, or you can also use the two arrows icon you can see right here, and therefore make the angle wider for a selfie. Then just take a selfie, and here is what it looks like. And that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.